In this lesson, we will discuss about the problem solving involving ellipse. For problem number 1, a semi-elliptical tunnel has a height of 8 feet at its highest point and 26 feet wide across the base. How high is the tunnel 8 feet away from the center of the base? First, i-picture out muna natin yung ating semi-elliptical tunnel, gaya nito. So, ito na yung picture ng ating semi-elliptical tunnel, na kung saan ang highest point ay 8 feet. And then yung 26 feet sa ating problem number 1, makikita natin ito sa ating major axis. Since that is 26 feet, mula sa ating center papunta sa ating endpoints ng ating semi-elliptical tunnel, tigto 13 feet sila. So, para mas madali para sa atin, titignan natin sa ating graph. Since ang tinatanong is kung gaano ba kataas ang tunnel na 8 feet ang layo mula sa gitna ng ating base, gagamitin natin sa 8 feet sa ating graph. So, mag-i-step tayo ng 8 pa right side. Since yung center natin is at the origin, ito yung gagamitin nating standard equation ng ellipse. So, ang gagawin lang natin dyan is isa-substitute lang natin yan, yung value ng a squared and then b squared. Paano nga ulit kinukuha yung value ng a squared at b squared? So, yung a, yun yung distance mula sa ating center papunta sa ating vertex. So, that is 13 feet. So, yung b squared naman, yun yung ating co-vertex. So, it is 8 feet. So, isa-substitute lang natin yung mga value ng mga yan. So, x squared over 13 squared plus y squared over 8 squared is equals to 1. So, ang coordinates natin is 8y. Isa-substitute lang natin yung ating x coordinates sa ating standard equation. So, magiging 8 squared over 13 squared plus y squared over 8 squared is equal to 1. X is solved for y. So, ililipat lang natin yung ating 8 squared over 13 squared sa right side. So, magiging y squared over 8 squared equal 1 minus 8 squared over 13 squared. Tapos natin ilipat yung ating standard equation, i-multiply natin both side by 8 squared. So, magiging 8 squared times y squared over 8 squared equal 1 minus 8 squared over 13 squared times 8 squared. So, sa ating left side, makakancel yung parehong 8 squared. So, ang matitira na lang is y squared and then i-multiply natin si 8 kay 1. So, magiging y squared is equals to 8 squared minus 8 squared times 8 squared over 13 squared. So, makukompute natin agad ito by using scientific calculator. So, the answer is y squared is equals to 39.77. Since meron pang squared dito sa ating y, i-square root natin siya both side of equation. So, magiging y squared is equals to positive and negative square root of 39.77. So, the answer is y is equals to positive and negative 6.31. Therefore, the tunnel is 6.31 feet wide across when at the height the tunnel 8 feet away from the center.